The Hunter is one of the 3 classes in Destiny 2 known for its agility, precision, and stealthy playstyle. As a Hunter, players typically excel in quick movements, critical damage, and strategic positioning, making them ideal for both PvP and PvE activities. Hunters have access to unique subclass options, each offering distinct abilities and playstyles. The Gunslinger subclass, for example, focuses on ranged combat and precision shots, empowering hunters to deal massive damage with their hand cannons and special abilities. The Nightstalker subclass emphasizes stealth with the ability to support allies through debuffs and crowd control, often users of void-based powers. The Arcstrider subclass is built around fast-paced melee combat and agility, allowing hunters to zip around the battlefield and take down enemies with swift strikes. Alright? Hunter armor and mods complement their playstyle, often enhancing mobility and critical damage. The class also thrives in utilizing movement-based strategies, from dodging attacks to leaping high into the air for better positioning.